This is what I love about driving across America. We're in Cuba, Missouri, and look at this. The Death Investigation Academy, and firearms are permitted and encouraged on these premises. Well, we're in the centre of Cuba, Missouri, and it's quite a pretty little town, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a million miles from the interstate, and that's the usual sprawl of gas stations, cheap motels, and crappy fast food. But you come in town, and the town is like an old-style American town, isn't it?
Yeah, it's brilliant.
And there's lots of these. It's famous for these murals and all the buildings. A lot of them depicting the old industries in the area. That one's a mill works. Round there was a Cooper's. There's a bread shop over there. Definitely worth stopping when you're passing through on Route 66.
Good photo opportunity.
Yeah. Unfortunately, it's still overcast for us, but that's the weather. Tomorrow there's a slight chance of tornadoes on the weather forecast.
Oh, okay.
Right. Wizard of Oz country coming up.
Yeah.
Let's go. We're at Fanning, Missouri, and that is another classic site on Route 66, the giant rocking chair. I think that all roads will be greatly improved with the presence of oversized furniture.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Are you a country girl?
I am a country girl.
Are you a bit simple?
Well, I married you, didn't I?
Stuff to look at, so take time, look around.
Okay, that's great, thank you.
What should I go for? The Stalinade? Havana banana? I don't know. Well, we stopped at Fanning, Missouri on Route 66, and I've gone for Stalinade, the real red soda. Another stop, another bizarre old gas station, and this is the Totem Pole Trading Post in Rolla, Missouri. We're at the Devil's Elbow, and look, there's a classic bridge there. The only thing is there's no phone reception, and there could be some strange locals.
Oh, me?
Oh, there's one.
It's really peaceful here.
Are you going to cut me up for dinner? And smoke me in the shed?
I'll get you from year to year.
Well, we're in Uranus, Missouri. Let's see how many times they can really milk that joke. Let's go. that's very important to everyone concerned. Pornography pollutes body, soul and mind. Ironically, it's at the entrance to Uranus. Well, there's the Uranus fudge factory. And over there, it's Fort Uranus. I love Uranus. How did you enjoy Uranus?
Oh, very good gift shop. And then there's lots of guns in the back.
Yeah, and you can buy a machine gun if you know.
Taser?
You can buy M&Ms, comedy trumps.
I like the comedy trump.
Yeah, comedy trumps, little miniature trumps, fudge, and also a machine gun if the urge gets you. So we're in Lebanon, in Missouri. As you drive in, it doesn't seem much. The usual array of McDonald's, Arby's, and all those fast food takeaway places. But the library apparently has got a really good Route 66 museum.
Fudge of Records. Gone Country Elvis. Rib Crib Barbecue.
Turn right, then turn left.
So this Grand Country Fun Spot. Laser tag. Ooh, Branson, you are a classy place.
Mini golf.
Mini golf. Oh, that was good. I like mini golf. I always beat Marcus in mini golf. It's coming up. Can you see King Kong? I can see him. How can you not love a place that has a giant King Kong?
Hollywood Wax Museum.
Oh, that sounds good.
Are you serious?
Look! Who would want to go there? That's fab. Oh my god. Look at that. A giant meatball. Is America full of giant things? Giant roadside attractions. Oh, look at Titanic. Yeah, that's interesting. That's not Thomas the Tank. That's the Titanic.
Well, welcome from Branson. In The Simpsons, Homer describes Branson as Las Vegas, as if it was run by Flanders. And that was exactly right. If you've been to Orlando, imagine International Drive with a Christian vibe. It's like that. But I must say, the countryside around Branson is really nice. It's really green and forested. So a nice area. Branson itself, not sure yet. Well, if endless rounds of mini golf and dinner shows aren't your cup of tea, Branson does have a more picturesque side.
The garage is full of treasure. Have a look.
Okay.
The office here is what I call sensory overload.